I'm calling all the women out there, the one that just got engaged and they're about to get married, planning the wedding, and all you're thinking about, how in the world I'm going to pay for this wedding, how I'm going to pay for the dress that I always dreamed of, how I'm going to pay for a photographer that create memories for me and for my husband. And you're thinking about maybe you should get another job. So you got 2 jobs because you're trying to pay for your wedding. But guess what? I have a solution for you. I invested in a digital program that changed my life, and I make a daily income. I make between $100 to $900 a day, and you can do the same thing. So you don't have to worry about how you're going to pay for your wedding. You can have your dream dress that you always been dream of. You have to get the best photographer, the best food, and you don't have to worry about anything because you're investing in yourself right now and you're creating wealth for your family to come, for your future family to come. And if you want to learn how to do it, type info in the comments, and I'm going to share with you this information that's about to change your life the way it changed my life.